It's not just a comeback, it's a resurrection. A name once whispered in muscle car folklore now roars back into the spotlight. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427. And it's here with a message. American power is far from dead. Sleek. Brutal. Iconic. The badge says Impala. But this machine is nothing like the family cruiser your grandpa drove. This is a full-sized American beast, modernized, electrified, and injected with 427 cubic inches of raw attitude. Welcome to Auto Fusion, and today we're taking you deep into one of the boldest returns in muscle car history. Let's get one thing out of the way. This isn't just a retro revival. Chevrolet didn't dust off the name for some watered-down four-door. The 2026 Impala SS is a full-blown rear-wheel drive performance sedan. It blends modern engineering with classic soul, and it carries a name that commands respect. This is not nostalgia. This is vengeance. The design is the first clue that this car means business. The front end is broad, squared off, and aggressive. A wide black mesh grille with a floating red SS badge dominates the fascia, flanked by angular LED headlights with sequential turn signals. The hood, a modern interpretation of the classic cowl induction scoop functional, not just for show. The stance is low and wide, with strong shoulder lines that run cleanly to the rear. From the side, the silhouette is muscular yet refined, echoing the proportions of classic American sedans but with a futuristic twist, flush door handles, subtle chrome accents, and sitting on staggered 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in sticky Goodyear Eagle F1 rubber. The Impala SS looks ready to pounce, and then, under that hood, something very special. The legend lives? The 7.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, yes. A real 427 cubic inch monster returns, now re-engineered for the modern era. Codenamed LT7, this new engine is a pushrod V8 masterpiece, producing a monstrous 630 horsepower and 615 lb-ft of torque without a drop of forced induction. It revs to 7,200 RPM and delivers instant, old-school grunt in every gear. No hybrid assist. No artificial sound enhancement. Just pure mechanical fury. Matched with this beast is a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission as standard, with an optional 10-speed automatic for those who prefer lightning-fast shifts. The Impala SS is rear-wheel drive, true to its muscle car roots, but features an advanced electronic limited slip differential, launch control, and multiple performance modes. From track to sport to tour, this car transforms depending on your right foot performance. Absolutely. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time sits at a blistering 3.8 seconds, with a top speed north of 190 miles per hour. But what surprises most isn't just the speed, it's the handling. The 2026 Impala SS rides on GM's latest Alpha Plus performance chassis, shared with the Camaro ZL1 and Cadillac CT5V Blackwing, but tuned specifically for this car's size and weight. The result is a full-size sedan that handles like something. Half its length, magnetic ride control 5.0 keeps the car planted over twisty roads and aggressive corners. The steering is tight and precise with real feedback and road feel. Massive Brembo brakes sit at all four corners, ready to haul you down from triple-digit speeds without breaking a sweat. This is not a straight-line-only machine. This is a true grand touring muscle, sit-in fast, loud, and shockingly balanced dot step inside. And Chevrolet has delivered a cabin worthy of the badge. It's modern muscle luxury. The dash features a 14-inch curved digital driver display and a 12-inch central touchscreen running GM's next-gen infotainment OS. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with built-in 5G connectivity, performance telemetry, and a dedicated SS mode that reconfigures every aspect of the car for aggressive driving. The seats? Heavily bolstered buckets with SS embroidery, available in jet black leather, with red contrast stitching or a gorgeous two-tone black and white heritage scheme. Aluminum and carbon fiber accents are tastefully integrated throughout, and the flat-bottom steering wheel features tactile controls and shift lights embedded into the rim. But despite all the performance, the Impala SS doesn't forget comfort. Dual-zone climate control, a 15-speaker Bose Performance Series sound system, heated and ventilated seats, and a full suite of driver assists are standard. Adaptive cruise, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera make it just as usable as any modern luxury sedan. And there's the soundtrack. There's no fake noise here. The quad-tipped exhaust system is fully active, offering 4 modes: stealth, touring, sport, and track. In track mode, the LT7 V8 roars with a guttural bark at idle and a screaming crescendo near redline. Downshifts. Crack, upshifts bark and cold starts. They'll shake your garage. Chevrolet is offering the Impala SS 427 in 3 trims. Standard, Heritage Edition and Black Diamond. The Heritage Edition brings throwback badging, houndstooth seat inserts, and limited color options like Marina Blue and Victory Red. The Black Diamond trim is the most aggressive, with matte black accents, carbon fiber aero parts, a stiffer suspension, tune, and a darkened grille with smoked-out lighting. Only 1,427 units of the Black Diamond will be made, an intentional nod to the legendary 427 name. As for pricing, Chevrolet has kept things surprisingly grounded. The base Impala SS 427 starts at $62,995 USD, with the Heritage Edition sitting at $66,000, and the limited Black Diamond trim reaching $74,000 fully loaded. In a world where European performance sedans routinely crack 6 figures, the Impala SS delivers muscle, luxury, and legacy without needing to mortgage your house. But more than numbers, more than performance, the 2026 Impala SS 427 is about identity. It's about standing for something in a world that's shifting fast. It's about giving muscle car fans what they've been begging for: a full-size V8-powered American performance sedan that isn't ashamed to burn rubber and breaknecks. It's modern, but it's not sanitized. It's clean, but not quiet. It's the past and future colliding at 7,000 RPM. So, what do you think? Is this the comeback we've all been waiting for? Would you take the Impala SS 427 over a Dodge Charger Scat Pack? Over a Cadillac CD5V Blackwing, or even a German sports sedan? Let us know down in the comments. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AutoFusion, and ring the bell so you never miss our next breakdown of the hottest machines on 4 wheels. Thanks for watching. Stay fast, stay loud, stay legendary. This is the Impala Reborn.